Welcome to Diljan Solutions. At Diljan, we believe tech is for everyone, regardless of your degree. We are here to help you build a career with clarity and purpose. Today, we're exploring the diverse roles that make up the modern IT industry. First, we have the software developer or engineer. These professionals are the architects of the digital world, using programming languages to build the applications and systems we use every day. Next are data analysts and data scientists. They are the detectives of the industry, transforming raw, complex data into actionable insights that drive business decisions. Database administrators or DBAs ensure data integrity and security, while cloud engineers design and manage the scalable virtual infrastructure that powers modern enterprises. Cybersecurity specialists are the guardians of digital assets, protecting against threats, while network engineers maintain the vital communication pathways that keep us connected. DevOps engineers bridge the gap between development and operations to streamline workflows, while AI and machine learning engineers build the intelligent self-learning systems of the future. QA engineers and software testers ensure everything runs smoothly before launch, while IT support and system administrators provide the essential daily technical assistance that keeps businesses running. Business analysts define technical requirements to solve business problems, and UI/UX designers focus on crafting intuitive, beautiful experiences for the end user. Product managers guide the vision of a product from start to finish, and ERP consultants specialize in managing the massive enterprise systems that handle core business processes. Data warehousing is the backbone of enterprise decision-making. Here, roles like data warehouse engineers and ETL engineers build the pipelines that feed business intelligence. IT is not just one career, it's a global ecosystem of opportunities. To find your place, focus on a learning mindset, consistent practice, and real-world projects. Adaptability is your greatest asset. You don't need to fit into one role, you need to find where you belong. Stay connected with the Diljan Solutions career training path, your roadmap to a successful IT career. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next lesson.